Good evening. Good evening, Kevin or Kenvin. Kevin. Hello, good evening.
Peter.
Hello, good evening, and welcome again to our class. How are you today, Kevin?
I'm good.
Wow, that's good to know. Did you already eat your dinner? Did you already?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, what did you eat for dinner?
Eat
Did
meat
meat and did you
or
also?
eat soup.
Oh, wow. Meat, soup, and rice. Is that correct? Wow, that's very delicious. Good job. Okay. So now are you ready to continue our lesson for today?
Yes.
Okay, so very good. So now for this one, so for this activity, so we will check your speaking skills. So we will just read some words here, and after that, so teacher will explain to you what is the meaning of those words. Okay.
Okay.
So can you please read this one? This one.
School.
At school, very good. So at school. So when we say school, do you go to school, Kevin?
No.
Do, do you go to school? Yes or no?
Um,
Yes or no?
I not.
Oh, you don't go to school?
Yes.
Ah, okay. How old are you again? How old are you? Ha,
I'm I'm eight,
6?
I'm 8 years old.
Oh, 8 years old. Okay, okay. And you don't go to school right now? Okay, it's okay. So now let's read our first word and phrase here. So can you read this one? Let's say draw or do a drawing.
Draw, do,
Oh.
and drawing.
Okay, wow, very good. Nice reading. Okay, so let's take a look at this girl. So this girl in the picture. What is the girl doing, Kevin?
Is draw.
Okay, very good. So the girl is draw or drawing. So the girl is drawing. Kevin, do you like to draw?
Yes.
Yes. And what are the things that you like to draw?
Yeah.
What what do you like to draw? Do you draw animals? Do you draw cartoons?
Yes.
Oh, you draw cartoons?
Yes.
Oh, what kind of cartoons?
Yes.
Um, do you know the Raymond? The Raymond? No? This guy, let me show you some picture. Wait, let me show. This one. Do you know this cartoon? The Raymond? Ano? What is your favorite cartoon?
Doraemon.
The Raymond. Oh, you know the Raymond? This one? You watch this? Yeah, so this is the Raymond. So it is a nice cartoon if you watch it. And most of my students also like this cartoon. Do you know him? The Raymond. So the Raymond has a big pocket in his stomach so that he can put all of the things that he has there. Okay, so that is the Raymond. And so for this one, let's go back to our lesson. So when we say do or draw or do a drawing, so we make a picture using a pencil or crayons. Do you have a pencil?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. And also, do you have a crayon?
Yes.
Okay, wow, that's good. And do you use those to draw?
Yes.
Okay, that's a very good. So that's it. So that is how we draw. So we use pencil, crayons, colored pencils, and pens, markers. So those are the art supplies that we use to draw. Okay, so now let's move on to our next word here. This one. Can you read this one?
It's ruler.
Okay, wow, very good. It's ruler. So, do you have a ruler?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. Because this ruler is also one of the school supply that we use at school. So when we say ruler, it is this one. This is a ruler. So we use it to measure and make lines. So if we want to draw a square, so we can use a ruler because ruler can help us make lines. Okay, so next let's move on to our next school supply that we have here. So can you read this one?
Pencil.
Okay, very good. Pencil. So now take a look at this one. What is this?
It's pencil.
Okay, very good. So it's a pencil. So when we say pencil, so it is the school supply that we use to write. Do you like to write,
Yes.
Kevin? Yes. What are the things that you write on a paper? Do you know how to write your name?
Yes.
Yes, okay, that's very good. So it's good to know that you know how to write your name. So we use pencil for us to be able to write things in a paper. Okay, next, let's move on to our next school supply. So this one, what
It's
is,
it's pen.
okay, very good. How about this one? What is this?
It's pen.
Okay, very good. So it's pen. Like pencil, Kevin, so pen is also the one that we use to write. So the difference between pen and pencil, so pencil is made of wood. And if we write pencil, we can also erase it. So if we made wrong or if we made a mistake, we can erase it in our paper. But for pen, so we cannot erase it. So if we write something, so we cannot erase it, the pen. So
Yes.
we need, yeah, so we need to make sure of what we will write when we will use a pen. Okay? And do you also have a pen?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Do you also like what do you like the most when writing? Do you like using pen or pencil? What do you like? Do you like pen or pencil? Pen or pencil?
Pencil.
Yes, okay. I also like to write using pencil because if we do wrong or if we made the mistake, so we can just erase it because pen uses ink, so we cannot erase it. So yes, pencil. I also like pencil. Okay, so next, let's have another school supply. So what is this, Kevin?
Erasers and rubber.
Okay, one more time. One more time. Let's say eraser.
Eraser.
Okay, rubber.
Rubber.
Wow, very good. So eraser or rubber. So when we say eraser, so this is the one that we use to erase or fixes pencil or the things that we write using pencil. So if we made a mistake writing in a pencil or in a paper, so we use an eraser to erase. Okay. So this the pencil and the eraser, so they are a perfect combination always. So as we can see in our pencil, most of our pencils, so they have eraser at the top. So this is the eraser. So mine has no eraser because this pencil is very much used. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next words here. So can you read this two words?
Is paper.
This
Is
one? Okay, this one. Let's first read this one. Let's say test.
S.
Okay, and page.
Good.
Okay, perfect. One more time. Page.
Good.
Okay, nice. Very good. So test and page. So as we can see here, you're right, Kevin. So this is a paper. So we usually use a paper to have a test. So when we say test, it is what we do at school to check the things that we know. So this is an examination. For example, um, you wanted to learn English at school. So your English teacher, he or she gives you a test. So that test will check your understanding or what you know in English language. So that is a test. Okay? So we usually take tests in class. Okay. And um the next word when can you read again this word?
Pitch.
Okay, very good. So page. So when we say page, so it is a part of a book. So page is a part of a book. So when we say page, so for example, I have here a book. So this is a book. And this things inside the book is the pages. So if we flip it, so these are the pages. Okay? So book, pages. So that is a
Paper.
yes. So that is a part of a book. So these are the pages. So this is the book, this is the page. Okay? Okay, so next. So next one, let's move on to our next word. So we have here, what can you see in this picture?
Is tennis.
Okay, very good. Do you know how to play tennis?
No.
Ah, no. Do you know badminton? Badminton.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. So tennis is like a badminton. So they both use a racket. Okay. So
Okay.
that is a tennis. So when we say, let's have a words here. So can you read this word? Let's say line. This is line. One more time. Okay, one more time. Let's say line.
Lie.
Okay, perfect. So when we say line, so this is the one of the example of line. So let me just circle this one. This is a line. So when we
Is a lie.
okay, very good. So when we say line, it is long and straight. Long and straight. Okay?
No. Okay.
Yes. So this is a line. This. So it is when we write it in paper, so it is just like this. So that is a line. So we just draw a straight line. Okay?
Mm.
Yes. And next, let's have this one. Can you read this word?
Yes.
Let's yes, let's say board.
All.
Okay, one more time. Let's say board.
All.
Okay, perfect. So, excuse me. So when we say board, Kevin, so let's take a look at this one. This is a white board.
This is the whiteboard.
Okay, very good. So a board is what teachers use at school to write things. Like for example, this teacher. So we have here, who is this? This one. Who is this, Kevin?
Is teacher.
Very good. It's teacher. So let's take a look at teacher. So he writes tennis on the board. So this is the board. Okay. So we usually see a board at school. So it can be a different color. We have whiteboard, we have blackboard, we have a green board. So that is what we use, or that is what teachers use to write the lesson that he or she is teaching. So that is a board. So next. Yes. So next, let's have the next word. So can you read this one?
Is teacher.
Teacher. Very good. So again, who is this, Kevin?
Is teacher.
Very good. Wow. So it's teacher. So when we say teacher, so a teacher is the one or a person who helps us learn. So if you want to learn English, teacher will help you learn English. If you want to learn math, teacher will help you to learn math. Okay? And Kevin, what is your favorite subject? Do you like English, math, science?
Yes.
Oh, what is the subject that you like? English, math, or science?
Is math.
Oh, it's math. So you like numbers? Do you like numbers?
Number.
Numbers.
Number.
Because math has a lot of numbers. Yes, so we do plus or one plus one, or addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So those are the things that we learn, especially in math. Do you really like math? Mathematics? Mathematics. Do
Yes.
you? Oh, wow. So I think you're a future mathematician. That's very good to know. Okay, so now let's have our next word. So can you read this one? Let's say class.
Class.
Okay, very good. So for this one, let's take a look at the classroom, or in this picture. So these are, or
Class.
this, yes, these children are class. So when we say class, class is students. Class are the students that learns together. So for example, so I am teacher, you are the class, because you are the student that teacher is teaching. So you are the class. Kevin is the class. Teacher
Class.
is, yes, teacher is teacher. Okay. So at school, Kevin, how many class, or how many students are in your class?
Uh,
Ở trường, lớp bạn có bao nhiêu học sinh?
How many
is
students? It's how many? Is it 20 students?
four.
Or 40?
41.
Oh, 41 students?
Is 41.
Oh, 41? Is that correct?
Yes.
41. Okay, wow, that's a lot of students. And do you have friends in your class? Do you have friends?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good because so you have a lot of students in your class. Okay, so next, so we have here another word. So let's read this one. This one is what we read.
Classroom.
Wow, very good. So this is the classroom. So what we can see here in the picture, so this whole place is the classroom. So classroom, so at school, classroom is the place where we learn. Class Classroom is the place where teacher teaches his or her students. So in your classroom, you have 41 students. That is correct. Is that correct, Kevin? Yes, 41 students in your classroom. So, a classroom is a room where we learn. So, we study in the classroom. Like, for example, in this Zoom meeting, so we consider this as classroom. So, this is our classroom, our online classroom. So it is the room where we learn. Okay, so Kevin, what do you like to do in your classroom? What do you like to do in your classroom?
Bạn làm gì trong lớp học của mình?
Um,
Do you play with your classmates? Do you play? Do you play with your classmates?
Bạn có chơi với các bạn cùng lớp không?
yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. That's good. And also, do you listen to your teacher in your classroom?
Bạn có chú ý lắng nghe giáo viên trong lớp học không?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. So you must listen to your teacher, especially in the classroom, because you will learn if you will listen. Okay. So next, let's move on to our next word. So can you read this one?
Um,
Okay, let's say alphabet.
alphabet.
Okay, very good. So alphabet. So do you know A, B, C, D? Do you know that one? Like this in the picture?
Mm.
Do you know A to Z? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Do you know J, K, L, M, N, O, P? Okay. So those letters or those all of those letters we call them alphabet. So this one from A to Z, so these are our alphabet. Okay, yes. Okay, so next let's move on to our word. So can you read this one?
Neat. Neat.
Okay, okay, nice try. So one more time, let's say letter.
Letter.
Okay, perfect. So letter. So when we say letter, letter is one symbol in the alphabet. For example, we have here letter A. Letter A. So yes, letter A. So this I think this is like letter A like that. So that is letter A. So letter A is a letter. And also letter C, letter B. So those are our letter. So when we say alphabet, so oh what letter is that? Letter O? So when we say alphabet, it is all of the letters. But when we say letter, um we only pertain to one letter. For example, letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D, letter E. So those are letters. Okay. Oh, now, Kevin, what is your favorite letter?
Little.
Is it what letter? Is it letter K because it is like your name?
Little.
What letter?
L.
Oh, letter F?
L.
Ah, no. Letter L? Oh, letter L. Why? Why why do you like letter L? Because it is like this, right? Like this. Yes, yes, like that. Because letter L is easy to write. So you will just draw a straight line and like this. Can you know do you know how to write letter L? Can you try to write letter L like this? Ah, very good. That's letter L. Very good. How about the small letter L? What does small letter L looks like? So small letter L looks like this. Like this. This one. So big letter L, small letter L. So big letter L is this. Small letter L is like just this one. Yes, big letter L, small letter L. Big letter L, small letter L. Okay, wow. So very good. So that is our alphabet and letter. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next word. So let's read the next word, this one. What is this? We call it as floor.
Floor.
Okay, very good. One more time. Floor.
Floor.
Okay, very good. So when we say floor, Kevin, floor is where we walk. So floor is where we walk. Like for example, in the classroom. So this is the classroom. This is, yes, this is the floor.
Floor.
Yes, so this is where we walk. Okay, in your classroom, Kevin, do you sit on the floor in your classroom? Do you sit on the floor? Yes or no? Uh,
Yes.
oh, yes, do you sit on the floor? Okay, so all of us experience sitting on the floor, especially when it is clean. So make sure that the floor is clean first before you sit on it. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next word. So this one. So can you read this one?
Football. Soccer.
Wow, very good. It's football and soccer. So when we say football or soccer, it is a game. It is a game where we kick the ball. Like for example, in this picture. So this boy, he kicks the ball. So it is we call that game football or
Football.
soccer. Yes, very good. So both football and soccer uses the same ball. So this one. What is the color of this ball, Kevin? Its
Is
color?
white and black.
Very good. So white and black. So that is the ball that we usually use when playing football or soccer. Okay. Kevin, do you play football at school?
Mm,
Do you
yes.
play? Oh, yes. Yes. And do you like to play football?
Yes.
Yes, very good. That's nice. That's nice. Because football is one of the good sports that we can play. Okay. Next, let's move on to our next game. It's
Football.
okay. One more time. Nice try. Let's say hockey.
Hockey.
Okay, perfect. Hockey.
Hockey.
Okay, very good. So, Kevin, so when we say hockey, so let's take a look at this picture. So these children are playing hockey. So when we say hockey, it is a game played with sticks and a ball. But their ball is what we use puck, like this. This one. Let me show you example of the ball that we use in the hockey. This one. Okay, so this is the ball. This is the ball that we use in hockey. This one.
Hockey.
Yes. So we use this. This is the stick that we use for us to hit the ball. So let's further take a look how we can play hockey, ice hockey, or usually most of the player plays hockey in the ice. So let's check how do they play hockey. Okay, this one. Okay, look at the people. So that is how you play hockey. So you hit the ball with the stick and you need to, like the soccer, you need to put the ball inside that net. You need to put the ball inside here. So that is hockey or ice hockey. Okay. Have you tried playing hockey, Kevin?
Bạn đã từng thử chơi khúc côn cầu chưa?
No. Okay, I think this game is famous in United States because mostly um there are snow in the United States. That is why they play ice hockey in their place. So next, let's move on to our next sports or next game. What is this, Kevin?
Is basketball.
Okay, very good. One more time, let's say basketball.
Basket.
Basketball.
Basketball.
Okay, very good. Basketball. So this one, basketball. So we use a ball that is what we call basketball. Its color, what color is the ball that we use for basketball?
Yes.
What color?
Is orange.
Very good. So it's the color orange ball that what we usually use when playing basketball. So basketball is a game where we throw the ball into a hoop. So this is a hoop. This one. This is the hoop. So we need to shoot the ball here for us to get a points when playing basketball. Like for example, let me show you how other people play basketball or how they shoot the ball in the hoop. So like that. So you will shoot the ball into the, what do you call that? Into the hoop and you will get a points. And for this one, Kevin, do you play basketball?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Who do you play basketball with? Who do you play basketball with? This one.
Bạn chơi bóng rổ với ai?
Is brother.
Ah, you play with your brother. Wow, that's a very nice bonding. You play with your brother. So that is very good. That you play with your brother, especially this sport, basketball. And do you like basketball?
Yes.
Yes. And what do you like more? Do you like football or basketball?
Mm.
What do you like more? Football or basketball?
Is basketball.
Ah, basketball. Wow. For football, who do you play football with? Do you also play with your brother?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Wow, that's very good. So you have a bonding with your brother. That's nice. Okay. So again, so before we proceed to our next page, so again, let's read the words that we had learned. So let's go first with this one. This one is, can you read this one? Draw.
Brown, blue, brown,
Very good. So next,
ruler, pencil, pen, eraser, ruler,
okay, one more time. Let's say rubber.
wrapper,
Okay, perfect. So next,
case,
yes, very good. Next is,
page,
okay, very good. Page. Next is,
line,
line.
ball,
Board.
teacher,
What? Okay, you can do it. What is this? This is alpha.
alphabet,
Very good. Alphabet. Next.
lead,
Okay, one more time. Let's say letter.
letter,
Perfect. One more time. What is this word?
letter,
Perfect. Very good job. So next.
floor,
Okay, one more time. Let's say floor.
floor,
Okay, perfect. Next is
class,
glass.
classroom,
Very good.
hockey,
Hockey.
football, football, soccer, play, basketball,
Okay, very good. Nice. Okay, so actually we have here another word that we haven't yet discussed. So can you read this word?
is bat,
Okay, very good. So it's part. So when we say part, Kevin, a part is one piece of something. So let's take a look at this. This is a pie chart. So they have, yes, it's a circle. So we have here parts of the pie chart. So we call this one parts. This is a part, part,
heart,
part.
dog,
Yes. Yes. So it is one piece of something. So that is part. So next, let's move on to our next set of words. Okay. So let's take a look at our first word here. What is this?
is,
We call it as, we read it.
is
Uh,
desk,
okay, very good. It's desk. So when we say desk, so this is the desk. So it is the table. It is the table that we use to study or to work. So this is a table that we,
eating,
yes, table that we use to study or work. So next, let's move on to our next word. What?
is cable,
Okay, one more time. Let's say keyboard.
keyboard,
Okay, perfect. So when we say keyboard, Kevin, look at this one. This is the keyboard.
keyboard,
Yes. So keyboard is what we use to write things in the computer. So we,
computer,
yes, so we press um the keys on keyboard for us to type the things that we want to write in the computer. And this one, let's move on to our next word. What is this? It's com.
computer,
Very good. It's computer. So when we say computer, so Kevin in the picture, this is the computer.
this
Oh,
is the computer,
Okay, very good. So a computer is a machine that we use to learn. We can also play, we can also work in a computer. Like what we are doing right now, we are learning English. So you using a computer, Kevin?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. Do you also play in your computer?
Yes.
What do you play in your computer?
Mm.
Do you also play Roblox? Teacher plays Roblox in her computer. Before, do you know Grow a Garden? You don't know Grow a Garden?
Yes.
You know Grow a Garden? So in Roblox, we play that one to plant um plants. We plant flowers, we plant fruits. So that is a grow a garden. So that is what I usually play in Roblox. How about do you know 99 nights? 99 nights. No? What are the things that you play in Roblox?
Mm.
Do you play brain rot?
No.
No. What do you play in Roblox?
E plus plus
What is that?
is love root.
Bloxburg. Is that correct? This one? Bloxburg.
No.
No. What is that?
Plus plus root.
How do you spell that?
Plus root.
Ah, blast fruit?
Yes.
Oh, really? Blocks fruit. This one. This is the spelling. Blocks fruit.
Fruit.
Is that correct?
Plus fruit.
Oh, okay. I haven't played that one. Is that a good game?
Mm. Yes.
Oh, it looks like Minecraft. Do you know Minecraft?
Mm.
It looks like Minecraft. Okay. So those are the things that we do in a computer. So we play, we learn, and we also work. Okay. So next, let's move on to our next word. So can you read this one? What is this? What is this? This is
This is book.
very good. This is book. Okay. So now, Kevin. So take a look at this one. This is a book. So
This is
book.
book.
Okay, very good. So book is what we use to read things. And also, if we want to learn, we read books. Do you like to read books, Kevin?
Yes.
Oh, yes. What do you read in your books? Or what are the books that you read? Do you read stories?
Yes.
Yes, okay, very good. That is good to know that you also like to read books. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next word here.
Is mouse.
Okay, very good. It's mouse. So when we say mouse, so this is the mouse, like this. Do you have a mouse?
Yes.
I have a mouse. So this is what I use. It's color pink. So when we say mouse, so we use it to click on the computer, especially when we are playing. So we use it to click. Okay, so that is a mouse. Do you know the animal mouse?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So this mouse, it's called as mouse because it looks like a mouse. That is why it is called like, or it is named as mouse. Okay, so next, let's move on to our next word. So can you read this one? Can you read? What is our next word? It's, we say it as close. Let's say close.
Close.
Okay, one more time. What
Close.
what is this word?
Close.
Close. Very good. So close. So when we say close, Kevin, it is to shut something. So we close something. For example, this book. So teacher opens the book. And if I do this, I close the book. Open, close. Okay, and for example, I have here a box. Oh, this one. So this is my glasses case. So when we say close, so I open this, then we close. Okay. So the next word is, so speaking of open, so can you read this one?
Open.
Open, very good. So open is the opposite of close. So when we say close, so this one. So first, we open, we close. Open and close. Like what we do in our door or on our door. So we open our door and we close our door. Okay, so that is close, close, open. Okay, so next, let's read this one. What is this word? We call it as music.
Music.
Okay, one more time. Let's say music.
Music.
Very good. Music. So when we say music, music is the sound that we listen to. Music it is the sound that we listen to. Okay. So do you like to listen to music, Kevin?
Yes.
Yes, okay. What are the things or what music do you like?
Hello.
Do you like English music or Vietnamese music?
Uh,
English or Vietnamese music? What kind of music that you listen to? What music? It's okay. What music do you listen? Do you listen to Bruno Mars? Do you know English songs, Kevin?
mm,
Ano?
no.
Ano? Do you only listen to Vietnamese songs? Vietnam songs? You only listen to Vietnam song. Is that correct? Okay, so again, when we say music, so it is something that we listen to, or especially when we have free time. So we listen to music. So next, let's read our next word. So can you read this one?
Tick.
Okay, very good. Tick. Next one is,
Is brass.
okay, wow, very good. So when we say tick, so as we can see here, tick is check. So tick means yes. Tick means yes or correct. However, when we say cross, it is X. Cross cross is X. So meaning cross is no or wrong. So that is the difference between tick and cross.
Tick
So
and cross.
okay, very good. So good job. Okay, so now let's again review the words that we had learned. So let's take a look at the picture. So Kevin, what is this?
Is
What do we call the table? Table that we use to study. What is the table? Table. Table that we use to study. It is, what is this? This one. Let me just circle. Where is the circle? Oh, this one. What is this?
Desk.
Okay, one more time. Again, what is this?
Is desk.
Very good. It's desk. So when we say desk, it is the table that we use to study or to work. Okay, so next, how about this one, Kevin? What is this?
Is keeper.
Okay, very good. It's keyboard. How about this one? What is this?
Is thick.
It's, huh? What is
Thick.
that?
Is thick.
It's,
Computer.
okay, very good. It's computer. Very good. Next, how about this one? What is this?
Is book.
Very good. It's book. How about our next one? Okay, let me just erase. How about this? What is this?
Is mouse.
Mouse. Very good. It's mouse. How about what do we call if we, so I do it like this. Look at teacher Kevin. So I do it like this and I will do it like this. What do we call that? Action. What is this? So I open and
Close.
very good. Nice. How about look at what teacher will draw. What do we call this?
Thick.
Very good. Tick. How about this one? What is
Cross.
this? Okay,
Cross.
very good. Cross. How about this? What do we call the sound that we listen to?
Is music.
Okay, very good. It's music. Wow. Good job, Kevin. Okay, so let's again go back to our previous things that we learned. So let's take a look at this picture. What is the girl doing?
Is draw.
Very good. The girl is draw. How about this one? What do we call this?
Is ruler.
Very good. Ruler. How about this?
Is head.
Pen?
Is pencil.
Very good. It's pencil. How about this one?
Is pen.
This one? Is it pen?
Is
Or this is the one that we use to erase pencil? What is it?
pencil.
It is, yes, eraser or
And
erase.
rubber.
Okay, one more time. Let's say rubber. Rubber.
Rubber.
Okay, very good. And what is this game?
Is football. Soccer.
Very good. Football or soccer. How about this one? What is this game?
Is basketball.
Okay, very good. And how about this? What is the game that we use stick?
Is hockeys.
Hockey, very good. And what do we call all of this?
Is
Is it letter or alphabet?
alphabet.
Very good. And what if I only have letter G? What
Letter
do
G.
What do we call it? If I only have G,
E.
letter or alphabet? When I say G, is it
E.
G, letter or alphabet? Is it,
E.
yes, when we say G, is it alphabet or letter? We call it as letter. So if we only have one, so we call it a letter. Like for example, letter G.
G.
Yes, we call this one letter. How about C? How about this one? C.
C.
C. Is it letter or alphabet?
C.
Letter C. Very good. So it is letter. So letter C. Very good. And who are this? What do we call them?
E. Block.
Very good. It's class. And what do we call the place that we learn?
E. Classroom.
Very good. It's classroom. And who is this?
E. Teacher.
Very good. What do we call this?
E. Part.
Part. And what do we call this one?
E. Line.
Line. Very good. And this one?
E. Tennis.
Oh, is it tennis? This white one.
E. Ball.
Very good. It's board. Wow, good job. Good job. I can see that most of the words that we had learned, so you understood it. So very good. So nice. So now let's move on to our next page. So for this one, Kevin, so let's look at the picture and we will find some objects, especially the words that we learned earlier. For example, can you circle where is basketball? Where is basketball? Can you circle?
Yes.
Okay, where is the basketball? Circle, circle. Circle. Where is the basketball? Oh, can you use your pen like this? K- You can use your pen?
Circle.
Yes, can you use your pen? Do it
Yes.
like this.
Hmm.
Okay, try to use your pen in your computer. Oh, yes. Where is the basketball? Can you circle where is the basketball? Look, look.
Hmm.
Where is the basketball? Where is the basketball? Yes, very good. Good job. How about where is the football or soccer? Can you circle? Where is the football? Okay, very good. And can you circle where is teacher? Where is teacher? Teacher, teacher, teacher. Very good. Okay, can you circle where is tick? Tick.
Hmm.
Where is tick? This one is tick. Where is tick? Okay, where is the cross? Cross.
Cross.
Cross. Okay. And can you circle where is the computer? Computer.
Computer.
Okay. Where is the keyboard?
Keyboard.
Keyboard. Keyboard? No, that's hockey. Where is the keyboard? Ting, ting. This is the keyboard.
Hmm.
Keyboard. Okay, very good. That is the keyboard. Where is the class? Where is the class? Class. Okay, very good. Very good. Nice. How about where is the book? Okay,
Uh,
where is the
book.
book? Okay, very good. Where is the pencil? Where is the pencil?
Mm, yes.
Okay, nice. Very good. Okay. So for that one, Kevin, I can see that you know all of the things that we had learned. So make sure to review all of those words, okay? So we will end our lesson here and make sure to review those because our teacher will ask you some questions about those next Wednesday, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so thank you very much for your time, Kevin, and goodbye. See you
Bye.
again soon. Thank you.
Bye, teacher.
Bye bye.